Alright, so this is my method for assembling a Voron 2 AB idler assembly. So, got all your various parts and a NEMA 17 hiding over there somewhere, and also a section of belt. So, I've just gone ahead and staged my bearings, my tooth pulley, and so I'm going to show you how I do it. Alright, so go ahead. You're actually going to drop the lid on top of it, thusly, and then tighten these bad boys down just to hold it together. And yes, I'm doing this off of the gantry. I actually install this on the gantry once everything gets put together. So then, now, idler assembly. Then what we do is, this is just a short placeholder section of belt, just because it is easier for me to do it like this, just for the purposes of this video. So, we take it, and with every pulley on the V2, smooth to smooth, tooth to tooth. So I go ahead and I take one side of the belt and I feed it through this bad boy. Awesome. Then take it, and you can go ahead and feed it through, leaving plenty of slack on this side. So you have this here thusly. So you've got a section of slack here, and this coming out of the idler assembly itself. Yay. Alright, so what do we do with this tensioner thing? I am glad you asked that. So, you take this, and what we do is you take the belt and basically just wrap it around like this. So, as you can see, this all goes in the figure S, well, not figure S, but however, the thing they call it, words at them. So anyways, like that. So, basically what you do, you just kind of pull through and continue tensioning as you insert this into here, and then just make sure everything kind of stays lined up. And the other thing you'll want to do is, as you're pushing it in, just take a look and make sure you still have some loop of this GT2 so that you can fit your pulley in there, or fit your NEMA 17 in there. So I'm just going to tension this up some, putting a finger in there just to retain some space for that pulley there. So we have something that looks basically like this. So then you take your NEMA motor, which I need this one because this is actually the bottom side. So you take that, and put that on there, and then you get your M3 by 30 through here, thusly, and then thusly, and then do these loosely to begin with, because you're going to have to back it off some to slide it over the gantry and install it. And then there you go. There is that with the belt already done. You've done it. If you're doing this for real, yeah, make sure you've got plenty of belt left so you can actually do the full assembly. So there is this. Then you take your back plate like this. So you'll notice there's a little key right there. So that key indexes with that notch there. And then the knob just screws on like so, and then you will hear it click, 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 click,